Spring is here, and backyards and closets aren't the only things that need a seasonal update. From battery testing and tire checks to deep interior cleaning and wiper replacements, automotive expert Brian Moody is here with his top tips to get your car road ready inside and out. He also has insider tips on protecting your investment to get the most resale value when you're ready to trade in or sell. Welcome back, Brian.
Yes, thanks for having me. And you're right, the winter can be hard on certain bits of your car, so there's an easy way to update that.
Why is it important to reset your car in the spring?
Well, because winter is hard on the soft bits like wiper blades and carpet and that kind of thing. There's actually an easy way to protect your carpet. If you think about Rain-X's carpet and upholstery cleaner, it not only cleans, but it also repels water, and I'm going to show you how that works. Imagine this is a carpet in your car, we just cleaned it, and you have a spill, juice, coffee, whatever, and that kind of thing happens all the time. But with this, it just runs right off. And you can then take a cloth or a paper towel and clean it off relatively easily because it's not only a cleaner, it's also repelling to prevent future stains, and that can actually help your car be worth more when you go to sell it.
When it comes to spring car maintenance, what's at the top of your list?
At the top of the list would be something like wipers. If you change the wipers, that's going to help. It's an easy thing for you to do. It's going to help with visibility. I have here something, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. This is the Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency. It's a 2-in-1 wiper blade. And as it clears water off the windshield, it applies the magic of Rain-X to the windshield so that it prevents bugs from sticking and that kind of thing. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. So this is the piece that you buy. This would come to your home or you get this from the store. And there's a little door that opens. It's that easy. This is the car. So you move the wiper up and you just take this, click it in place, and close that door, and now you just replaced your wiper. That's something that most people can do themselves. And these Latitude 2-in-1 water repellent wipers help because it helps dissipate water more easily by applying the magic of Rain-X onto the windshield.
When can you do it yourself, and when do you need to call an expert?
Well, if you need specialized tools, you probably need an expert. So you saw that I just did this myself, and I didn't need any special tool. I just had my hands. If you need something like a check engine light, or to test your battery, or to check the alignment, or even to check or replace the transmission fluid, those are all things better handled at a mechanic shop. You can probably check your own oil. Some people like to change their own oil, and you can even eyeball your tires and see if they look like they're bald. Those kind of things you can do yourself, but for almost everything else, especially when it requires a special tool, take that to the shop.
What are your top tips for those looking to sell their car this spring?
Right. Here's a great tip for when you're going to sell your car. Make sure it's clean. I know it sounds like common sense, but you'd be surprised how many photos online are of pictures, cars that are dirty. Who wants to buy that? The average person coming along thinks, well, if they didn't take care of the easy thing, they probably didn't take care of the rest of it. By having your car clean, we mentioned the Rain-X carpet and upholstery cleaner, that's going to help it stay fresh looking and cleaner longer, not just for the moment. So by doing that, you give the person the impression that you've cared for your car, and also remove all of your personal items from the car, bumper stickers, air fresheners, anything that looks like yours in the car, take it out so that the person can picture themselves in the car and won't feel like, oh, I'm driving somebody else's car.
Brian, where can we go to learn more about all of this?
For more information on the products that we talked about, including the water repellent wipers and also the upholstery cleaner, go to rainx.com and you can put in your year, make, and model and find the exact right wiper for you.
Thanks.